Tanchong County, Hongbaoyuan Machinery Company Limited is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of interlocking soil brick-making machine, concrete hollow block-making machine, pavement brick-making machine, mobile block-making machine, diesel engine block-making machine, and concrete mixer, widely used in building construction field and other areas. Now the best-selling product, interlocking soil brick machine, new type of green environmental protection equipment. The material can be clay, soil, little sand and cement. The advanced technology, baking-free. The investment is small, but with big profits. It is popular all over the world. Our company is located in Tanchong County, Linyi City, Shandong Province, with convenient transportation access. We have obtained ISO 9001 Quality Management System certificate. Our products are exported to many countries and regions, such as Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, Philippines, America, Canada, Mexico, Peru, Chile, Argentina, Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, Cameroon, Zambia, Uganda, Congo, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Israel, France, Bulgaria, Ukraine, Russia, and other area, with stable quality performance, highly praised by customers all over the world, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Warmly welcome all customers to visit our factory. Thank you.